Hello everyone. Is your car jerking or hesitating when shifting into fourth gear? If your OBD-II scanner shows code P078445 shift malfunction, it means your transmission is struggling to switch from fourth to fifth gear. Ignoring this issue can cause major transmission damage, but don't worry, I'll explain what P0784 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the key sensors and components to fix it. Let's dive in. What is P0784? The P0784 trouble code appears when the powertrain control module, PCM, detects improper shifting between fourth and fifth gear. This usually happens due to a faulty shift solenoid, low transmission fluid, or damaged sensors. Symptoms of P0784 include hard or delayed shifting into fifth gear, transmission slipping or struggling at highway speeds, jerking or rough shifts when accelerating. Check engine light and transmission, warning light on reduced fuel efficiency due to improper gear shifting. If you're facing these issues, let's locate the main sensors and components responsible for P0784. Sensor and component locations, where to find them. To diagnose P0784, check these critical components. 4, 5, shift solenoid C. Location, inside the transmission valve body, under the transmission fluid pan. Function, controls hydraulic pressure for shifting between fourth and fifth gear. Transmission control module, TCM. Powertrain control module, PCM. Location, mounted on the transmission housing or near the firewall in the engine bay. Function, sends electrical signals to the shift solenoids for smooth gear changes. Transmission range sensor, TRS. Neutral safety switch location, attached to the side of the transmission, near the gear shift linkage. Function, communicates the gear position to the PCM for accurate shifting. Input and output speed sensors, ISS-OSS, location, found on the transmission housing, near the input and output shafts. Function, measures rotational speeds to help the PCM determine shift timing. Wiring and connectors location, runs between the solenoids, sensors, and PCM-TCM. Function, transfer signals, damaged wiring can lead to shifting issues. Common causes of P0784, faulty 4, 5 shift solenoid C. If this solenoid fails, the transmission won't shift smoothly. Low or contaminated transmission fluid, dirty or low fluid can prevent proper gear engagement. Malfunctioning transmission control module, TCM, sends incorrect signals to the shift solenoids. Worn transmission clutch packs or bands. Internal damage can cause slipping or rough shifting. Faulty transmission range sensor. If this sensor malfunctions, the PCM won't receive correct gear position data. Electrical issues. Damaged wiring or corroded connectors can lead to improper transmission function. How to fix P0784? Step 1, check transmission fluid. Ensure it's clean and at the correct level. Step 2, inspect the 4, 5 shift solenoid C. Use a multimeter to test for resistance and continuity. Step 3, test the transmission range sensor. Ensure it's detecting the correct gear position. Step 4, inspect all wiring and connectors. Look for damaged or corroded connections. Step 5, check the transmission control module, TCM. Reprogram or replace if necessary. Step 6, inspect for internal transmission wear. A mechanic may need to check the clutch packs or bands. Step 7, clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and monitor performance. Final words. A P0784 shift malfunction can cause major drivability issues, so diagnosing it early can prevent costly repairs. Always check your solenoids, wiring, sensors, and transmission fluid to ensure smooth gear shift. Watch these related videos next. P0434 catalyst temperature sensor circuit range performance bank 2. P0435 catalyst temperature sensor circuit high input bank 2. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.